If you are having Control V is not working in MS Word, then how you can fix this problem? So let me open my on-screen keyboard first. So here I'm typing BOY and then select it, Control C, and now I want to Control V. It is not, Control plus V, it is not working. For this you need to right click on the ribbon and click on the customize the ribbon, and then click on the customize ribbon, and here you will see that keyboard shortcuts customize. Click on that, and here you need to go to the home tab. This is the home tab, and on the commands right side you need to scroll down and click on the edit paste. So here you need to reset all. Click OK and yes, and here is Control V comes again, and simply close it. OK, and now type anything, and now Control C, and now press Control V. It is working right now. So this way you can easily fix your problem when Control V is not working in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.